Our interactive scheme of work is designed to help you save time and effort by supporting your planning and teaching for the Edexcel GCSE 9-1 Computer Science qualification. This short walkthrough will give you a whistle-stop tour of its key features. To create a bespoke scheme of work for your school, first give your scheme a name. Now select Computing, then the course you want to deliver, GCSE Computer Science. You have the choice to select the length of your course as either 2-year or 3-year, then click Next. This then generates a recommended scheme of work. The scheme of work follows two parallel strands, computational thinking and principles of computer science. The content has been broken into manageable units and organised over the teaching period you have specified. The scheme of work also suggests how long to spend on each unit, as well as clearly highlighting all the prerequisite knowledge. This is just a starting point. The scheme of work is flexible to how you want to teach to support your level of specialism. You can follow the suggested plan or change the time allocated to each unit. You can even drag and drop units to rearrange the ordering for some of the principles of computer science units. Prerequisite knowledge will be flagged so that you can clearly see any potential issues with the teaching order you create. Once you are happy with the scheme of work, click Save. You can now share it with your colleagues and start using it to support your teaching. You can easily navigate your scheme of work with the Scheme Explorer on the left. This enables you to go directly to a specific module or strand. You can tag different teachers to allocate specific units to them. Click on each unit will give you all of the relevant information you need, as well as links to lesson plans, PowerPoint slides, activities and activity solutions specifically written for the Edexcel GCSE 9-1 Computer Science qualification. These are available free of charge as part of the interactive scheme of work. You will find specific links to high-quality resources from leading pedagogical and industry organisations in computer science that have been chosen to support the Edexcel GCSE Computer Science qualification's practical approach. The interactive scheme of work integrates seamlessly with the Edexcel GCSE 9-1 Computer Science student book. For more information about the interactive scheme of work, please visit our website.